Today in this video I will be showing you how to extend your local disk C drive in PC. Sometimes the C drive becomes less in space and becomes red like this. So it is necessary to extend it. So let's start. The first step I will show you that I want to shrink my local disk E so that I can add 20 GB to local disk C. What would I do is to open run and type diskmg empty.msc. And I will OK on it. Disk manager will open. Now if I want to shrink local disk E, I will right click on it and click on shrink volume. And then if I want to know how much MB is 20 GB, I will open my calculator and then multiply 20 with 1024. Enter this size in this shrink memory. Then I will click on shrink and this will automatically unallocate me 20 GB. Now I will add this 20 GB in C drive, but the extend volume option is grayed out. So what to do is to search for advanced system setting. And in the advanced system setting opens the visual setting, and in the advanced make sure that the system C is system reserved, not D and E. And after you have changed it, make sure to set it, and this will demand a restart. So it is necessary to restart your PC. Then after restarting your PC, you can see that extend volume option will be available. And you can extend it by 20 GB easily. And your local disk C size will be changed. You can see that it is now 446 GB for 426 GB. So this was all. Hope you like it. Make sure you love the video, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks.